compare between exponential and logarithmic form. This is the topic for today. This class belongs to calculus, all right? So we have the one problem here. It says write the exponential equation in logarithmic form. So this is an exponential equation. Before to start to solve this problem, I have to remember some concepts for you. For example, the logarithmic of x here, the logarithmic with base b is defined. The logarithmic of x, right? With like this with base b, all right, is defined as for example like this, log b x, look at this, equals y, right? If and only, right, only if, right, b y, let me write different code. So by, so by is equals x, right? Where x greater than 0 and b greater than 0 and b is different and 1, all right? So then the natural logarithm, we write like this, in, right? Look at this, in is this. That's why I mean this, all right? Use it uses the base e, okay, base e, and this you have right here. So then the natural logarithm, for example, the natural logarithm right here, this is for remember, okay? The natural logarithm is like this, log, right, ex, right, equals y, right? So it's like it's same thing, right? In x equals y. It is the same thing, right? Okay, so after this background, let's go and solve the problem. This is our problem for today. After we review this concept, let's go and solve the problem. The first step, we have to look about the right here. This is actually it's an exponential. This is an exponential equation in the form. This is the form b. Okay, this is the form. Let's write the form. The form b y equals x, right? With b, so b equals e, right? Y, how much is y? Y is equals right here 3, right? And x is equals 20.086, right? That's the information, right? The data that we have it. Though this is the first step. So now plug. So now right here, next step, plug what? We have to plug and b equals e, right? Y equals 3, and this x equals 20,086, right? Into corresponding logarithmic equation. Into corresponding logarithmic equation. So what is the logarithmic equation? The logarithm equation we have right here, log b x, right, equals y. This is the logarithmic equation, right? So then just write the like this. Log, see the information, right? Log with how much is b? How much is b? How much is b? Is right here. B is e, right? Whereas the next x, how much is x? We need to write x. How much is x? X right here. You have x right here, so it's 20.086. So whereas equals y. How much is y? How much is y? Y is equals 3, right? So y equals 3. See? That's it. So in the conclusion, this is the natural logarithm. This is the natural logarithm. So this is the natural logarithm because it uses base. Which base use? Base E, right? It is standard to the right, so it is standard to the right as a in. So it's standard right here. It is a standard. Let me write. It is standard. There. So that's the conclusion. To the right. So rewrite, look at this, rewrite log, so log, look at E right here as a what? As a in, okay? So in this case, this is same thing, to the right, in, right, 20.086. 86 equivalent to 3. Right there. That's the conclusion. Okay, that's it. Let's right here. You can write it. The answer is that it is the same. I told you in 20.086 equivalent 3. Right? That's the answer. So, or in this case right here, just write only because I rewrite it again. Actually, he asked the question asking only for this information, right there, for 3, right? For that number. Very simple. Let's go and solve another problem. I'm going to erase this problem. Let me write another question. A little bit different than this one. So far, let me write another problem. So another simple problem. Let's write 5 to the second power equals 25, right? Easy. So log, let's find this right here. 25 equals 2. So that's the problem. Okay. Next, so next step. I mean, solve. How solve the problem? just plug, we're gonna right here plug the information that plug. Look at the information that we have. B, how much is B? B, how much is B? B is 5, equals 5, right? How much is Y? How much is Y? See, Y is 2, right? And X. And X, how much is X? X is equals 25. 25, but it's simple, it's very easy. It's no. So now plug B. So let me write right here. Now we're gonna plug B equals 5, right? And Y equals 2. And so I write it out again, X equals 25, where? Into the corresponding logarithmic equation. So where is the corresponding logarithmic equation? Is log, right here, log B X, like this, equals Y, right? Because we, Y, so it's gonna be like that, so look at this right here. Let's go over here, the other side to solve it. So look at this question right here. So B right here, how much is B? So B is BY is equals X, right? With B equals 5. Yeah, B equals 5. B equals 5, right? See all there, Y is equals 2, and X is equals 25, right? Equals 25. So now you are able to do this right here. Look so plug all this information and the corresponding logarithmic equation. The corresponding logarithmic equation is this one right here. Gonna write right here. Log Bx like this equals Y, right? So now write all this data over here. So then we are gonna have log, how much is B? How much is B? B is right here, B is 5 right here, right? And then how much is X? How much is X? It's 25. 25. And how much is 2? 2 is equal, no, so how much is 2? Yeah, 2 is 2 right here. 2 is 2 right there. Y is 2, okay? So Y is 2. All right, so that's it. Very simple, no? This is the answer that we are looking for. So where is the answer right here? In this little square, what is the answer? 5, right? We're gonna write 5. Very simple. Just the thing is identify each variable, write the numbers and plug into the logarithmic equation. This is the logarithmic equation in this problem. Okay, so that's it so far. Compare between exponential and logarithmic form is right here. Okay, so far that's it. Thank you for being on my class.